If you're seeing the ERR_SSL_BAD_RECORD_MAC_ALERT error in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through two of the most effective fixes step by step. This issue can be frustrating because it can stop websites from loading properly, especially if you rely on Chrome for work, gaming, browsing, or logging into secure sites. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it without reinstalling Chrome or doing anything complicated. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when more troubleshooting guides are posted. Alright, let's get into the first fix. The first thing you want to do is perform a full network reset in Windows. This can clear out network settings that may be interfering with secure connections in Chrome. To do that, press the Windows key and the I key together to open the Windows settings menu. Once settings opens, click on Network and Internet. From there, scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Inside Advanced Network Settings, look for the option called Network Reset. Click it and then choose Reset Now. Windows will warn you that this will remove and reinstall your network adapters and reset network settings, which is exactly what we want in this case. After you confirm, let your computer reboot automatically. Once your PC comes back on, open Chrome again and test the website that was giving you the SSL error. In many cases, that alone can solve the problem, but if you're still seeing the error, move on to the second fix, which is especially important for gaming laptops and systems with killer networking hardware. The next step is to disable Killer Control Center services. This is one of the most common causes of this specific Chrome SSL error on Intel, Dell, MSI, and other gaming devices that use killer network optimization software. The reason is that these services can modify network traffic in a way that interferes with SSL packets, which can trigger the ERR_SSLL_BAD_R, ECORD_MAC_ALERT message. To disable these services, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type services.msc, then press Enter. This will open the Windows Services window where you can manage background services running on your computer. Now scroll through the list and look for anything that starts with Killer. You may see services like Killer Network Service or Killer Analytics Service. If you find one, right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties window, find the Startup Type dropdown and change it to Disabled. Then click Stop to shut the service down immediately. After that, click Apply and then OK. Repeat that process for any other killer services you find in the list. The goal is to make sure none of them are running in the background and interfering with your Chrome connection. Once you've disabled the killer services, restart your computer again. This restart is important because it makes sure the changes fully take effect. After your PC starts back up, open Chrome and try loading the same website again. At this point, the SSL error should be gone in most cases. If it is, great. You've successfully fixed the problem. If not, the issue may be related to a VPN, antivirus software, browser extensions, or a temporary network issue, but these two steps are the best place to start because they solve the most common causes. So just to recap, first perform a full network reset in Windows and then disable any Killer Control Center services if your device has killer networking hardware. That combination fixes this Chrome error for a lot of users, especially gamers and laptop owners. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting videos, Windows fixes, and Chrome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.